As the first signs of winter appear, so too does the spirit of the holidays. Homes begin to twinkle with lights, the aroma of cinnamon and pine fills the air, and families gather to create cherished memories. This year, why not add an extra touch of magic to your celebrations with the heartwarming tradition of handmade decorations? There's something truly special about crafting your own Christmas decorations. It's a wonderful way to infuse your home with a personal touch, transforming ordinary materials into extraordinary expressions of holiday cheer. And what better way to capture the whimsical spirit of the season than with pipe cleaners? These colorful, bendable wonders are a crafting staple, beloved by children and adults alike. With just a few twists and turns, you can create an array of festive decorations, from a charming miniature Christmas tree to sparkling ornaments and whimsical reindeer. So gather your family, unleash your creativity, and let's get crafting. Before we embark on our crafting adventure, let's gather our tools and materials. Don't worry, you won't need anything complicated, just a few simple supplies that you may already have around the house. First and foremost, you'll need a vibrant assortment of pipe cleaners. Green is essential for our Christmas tree, but don't be afraid to get creative with other colors to add your own personal flair. Red, white, gold, silver, the possibilities are endless. Next, you'll need a pair of scissors to snip your pipe cleaners to the perfect length. If you plan on adding extra sparkle to your creations, gather some beads, sequins, or glitter glue. Small pom-poms are perfect for crafting adorable reindeer noses and fluffy snowmen. Finally, don't forget a hot glue gun, always supervised by an adult, for securing those intricate details. With your supplies assembled, you're ready to transform your living room into a winter wonderland of crafting fun. Now let's create the centerpiece of our crafting extravaganza, a charming miniature Christmas tree crafted entirely from pipe cleaners. This delightful project is surprisingly simple, making it a perfect activity for even the littlest helpers. To start, grab a green pipe cleaner and twist it into a tight spiral. Keep twisting until you create a flat circular base, about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. This will serve as the sturdy foundation for our tree. Next, we'll create the layers of our tree. Take another green pipe cleaner and shape it into a cone. Begin by wrapping the pipe cleaner in increasingly smaller loops, starting wide at the bottom and gradually tapering to a point at the top. Repeat this process with additional pipe cleaners, stacking the cones on top of each other to build the desired height of your tree. Once you're happy with the shape of your tree, it's time to add the trunk. Choose a brown pipe cleaner and twist it into a sturdy straight line. Attach the trunk to the base of your tree, securing it with a dab of hot glue or by carefully twisting it into the spiral base. Section 4. Trimming the tree ornaments that sparkle and shine. No Christmas tree is complete without a dazzling array of ornaments, and our pipe cleaner creation is no exception. This is where you can truly let your creativity shine, crafting ornaments in a rainbow of colors and designs. For a classic candy cane ornament, twist together a red pipe cleaner and a white pipe cleaner to create a vibrant striped effect. Bend the twisted pipe cleaner into the iconic candy cane shape, adding a miniature ribbon bow near the curve for an extra touch of charm. To craft a delicate snowflake ornament, take 3 pipe cleaners of the same color and cut them into equal lengths. Carefully twist them together at the center, forming a 6-pointed snowflake shape. Add a touch of sparkle by attaching small beads or sequins to the ends of each arm. For a festive mini wreath ornament, fashion a small circle out of a green pipe cleaner, twisting the ends together to secure it. Wrap a metallic gold or silver pipe cleaner around the green circle to mimic a gleaming garland. Complete the look with a dainty red bow, fashioned from a scrap of ribbon, and attached at the top. Section 5. Beyond the tree pipe cleaner creations to deck your halls. While our miniature Christmas tree is undoubtedly a showstopper, don't limit your crafting adventures to just one creation. Pipe cleaners are incredibly versatile, lending themselves to a myriad of festive decorations that will transform your home into a winter wonderland. Craft a cheerful garland by twisting together several green and red pipe cleaners to form a long, festive chain. String beads or small ornaments along the garland at regular intervals for added sparkle. Drape your garland across your mantelpiece, wind it around your staircase banister, or use it to adorn your Christmas tree. Bring a touch of whimsy to your decor with adorable pipe cleaner reindeer. Use a brown pipe cleaner to shape a simple reindeer body, complete with delicate legs and antlers, Add a bright red pom-pom for Rudolph's iconic nose and glue on googly eyes for a playful touch. These charming reindeer can be displayed on their own, added to a festive wreath, or even perched atop your pipe cleaner Christmas tree. For a touch of handmade elegance at your holiday table, create unique napkin rings from shimmering metallic pipe cleaners. Simply twist the pipe cleaners into small rings and add a festive embellishment to each one. A miniature bow, a jingle bell, or even a tiny sprig of artificial holly will add a touch of holiday cheer to your table setting. Section 6. Crafting Memories. Sharing the joy of handmade holidays. As you gather with loved ones this Christmas, remember that the true magic of the season lies not in the presents under the tree, but in the moments you share together. Crafting your own decorations provides the perfect opportunity to create lasting memories and spread holiday cheer. Encourage little ones to explore their creativity, guiding their hands as they twist and shape pipe cleaners into their own unique creations. Share stories and laughter as you work side by side, transforming your home into a reflection of your family's warmth and joy. These handmade decorations also make heartfelt gifts, imbued with the love and care that goes into crafting them. Present them to friends and family as a token of your affection, or use them to add a personal touch to your gift wrapping. Section 7. Conclusion. Let your creativity shine this Christmas. As the holiday season approaches, embrace the joy of crafting and let your creativity shine. With just a few simple materials and a dash of imagination, you can transform ordinary pipe cleaners into extraordinary expressions of holiday cheer. So gather your loved ones, put on some festive music, and let the crafting begin. Create a charming miniature Christmas tree, adorn it with sparkling ornaments, and deck your halls with whimsical reindeer and garlands. These handmade creations will not only brighten your home but also warm your heart with the spirit of the season. From our crafting family to yours, we wish you a joyful and creative holiday season.